Paul Dirac was one of the most brilliant and influential physicists of the 20th century, a man whose quiet demeanor contrasted sharply with the revolutionary nature of his ideas. Known for his groundbreaking contributions to quantum mechanics and quantum electrodynamics, Dirac reshaped modern physics and introduced concepts that remain central to science today. His work earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics and a place among the greatest scientific minds, often compared to Newton, Einstein, and Heisenberg. Born on August 8, 1902, in Bristol, England, Paul Adrien Maurice Dirac grew up in a strict household, particularly under the influence of his Swiss father, who insisted on speaking to him only in French. This upbringing fostered a reserved, introspective personality. Despite his quiet nature, Dirac displayed a natural talent for mathematics and engineering. He studied electrical engineering at the University of Bristol before shifting his focus to mathematics and eventually theoretical physics, where his genius became undeniable. In the mid-1920s, as quantum mechanics was emerging, Dirac quickly distinguished himself with elegant and precise mathematical formulations. His development of quantum mechanics in terms of operators and wave functions provided clarity and structure to a rapidly advancing field. In 1928, Dirac published one of his most important works, the Dirac equation, which successfully combined quantum mechanics with special relativity to describe the behavior of the electron. This equation not only explained the electron's intrinsic spin, but also predicted the existence of antimatter, an entirely new form of matter. The prediction of antimatter was confirmed in 1932 when Carl Anderson discovered the positron, the electron's antiparticle, earning Dirac immense recognition. His equation became one of the cornerstones of particle physics and remains one of the most celebrated achievements in theoretical science. Dirac's contributions did not stop there. He was one of the founders of quantum electrodynamics, the theory describing how light and matter interact. His work also advanced quantum field theory, influencing generations of physicists. He made fundamental contributions to the study of magnetic monopoles, introduced the concept of second quantization, and shaped the mathematical beauty of modern physics. In 1933, Dirac shared the Nobel Prize in Physics with Erwin Schrödinger for the discovery of new productive forms of atomic theory. Unlike many of his contemporaries, Dirac believed deeply in the beauty of mathematical simplicity, often saying, "If you are receptive and humble, mathematics will lead you by the hand." His pursuit of elegant equations became a guiding principle for much of modern theoretical physics. Despite his towering intellect, Dirac was known for his extreme modesty and shyness. Nicknamed the silent genius, he spoke little and only when necessary, but his words carried enormous weight. Colleagues described him as brilliant but enigmatic, a man more comfortable with equations than small talk. His personality became legendary in the scientific community, inspiring both respect and intrigue. Later in life, Dirac held professorships at the University of Cambridge and later at Florida State University, continuing his research and teaching until his death on October 20th, 1984. His influence lives on in every branch of modern physics, from quantum theory to cosmology. Paul Dirac's life was a testament to the power of intellect, simplicity, and curiosity. He was a scientist who, without seeking fame or recognition, unlocked some of the universe's deepest secrets. His legacy endures not only in the equations that bear his name, but in the beauty of science itself.